Okay, so hello everyone. Today let us make a quick unboxing video. Inside this parcel, I believe is a mini grinder. Actually, my girlfriend bought this for me for 344 pesos inclusive of shipping. So, and figured might as well do a quick unboxing on it. Okay, so there it is, and let's take a look at what's inside. And that's it. We've got the grinder, we've got the power supply. So let's take a look at the adapter. It's actually very difficult to see, but input is 100 to 240 volts, so dual voltage, and output is 9 volts. It already came with a set of diamond bits, okay, and manual. Can say this is the manual. So okay, power specification 5360 hertz, RPM single speed 20,000 RPM. I doubt that. Variable speed 3,000 to 20,000 RPM. Okay, collet size is 2.4 to 3.2 mm. So let me plug this in. By the way, I would just like to make mention the cord length is actually very short. Okay, so let me plug this in here, and let's see. Okay, so it's turning on. That's the low speed. I'll try to gradually increase speed. Anyway, that's its top speed, so I doubt that's 20,000 RPM. I really doubt that. I doubt even that this reaches 3,000 RPM, which it says here it's 3,000 to 20,000 RPM variable speed. I doubt that. Let me try, okay? And I can stop that with my hand. But anyway, it works. Let's see. Okay, so how about let's try to polish the brass on here, okay? Let's try to do that. Okay, so sandpaper, let's put that there. Let's replace, and let's see. Turn it on, and hold on, just turned off the flash so that you can see, okay? And as you can see, it actually works, although I'm gonna need to polish this some more, and not with this actually. But if I apply a force and it stops, but it works. So anyway, like I say in all of my unboxing videos, I do not advertise for this product, nor am I associated or affiliated with this product. As far as I'm concerned, it doesn't even have a brand. Like I said, my girlfriend bought two just so she could give me one. She figured I might like it, and as far as I'm concerned, I really do appreciate the thoughtfulness of it all. Okay, as it says here, it's for manicure and pedicure, and maybe you can use this for a little light polishing, a little light engraving. This will do fine. So I'll end it here. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.